Hey guys, Mike from CCTV Camera Pros here. In this video, I want to show you the spot monitor function of our 32 channel NVR. This is our Viewtron 32 channel NVR, and it has two HDMI outputs. And what I have done is I've connected the primary HDMI output to this monitor that you see here, and HDMI output 2 to this bigger monitor over here that's going to be my spot monitor. So what is a spot monitor? Let's cover that first. Basically, a spot monitor always displays a live view of your security cameras, and with the Viewtron NVR you can configure that live view how you want it to be laid out, independent of the main monitor with the menu system. There's no menu system on the spot monitor. It's a live display regardless of what's going on over here on the main monitor. So let's configure the spot monitor over here. I'm going to go into settings and then select system, and then I'm going to select output settings. Okay, so secondary output, that's our spot monitor function, and this is a 32 channel NVR, but I only have 6 Viewtron IP cameras connected right now. So I'm going to select this 6 camera view here. I'm going to uncheck this dwell time and select the 6 camera view. We'll do dwell time next. And then I can drag the cameras over into the grid where I want them to appear. So I'm just dragging and dropping my IP cameras into this 6 channel grid view, and then when I hit apply, you'll see the spot monitor activates and displays a live view of those 6 cameras. And you see over here on the main monitor, I'm obviously still in the menu system, and I can go back to the live display over here. I can switch to a single camera view, and it does not impact the layout of the spot monitor. That spot monitor view is fixed. So the other thing you could do is you could create a dwell time program where it switches views from camera to camera. So instead of being stationary, let's do dwell time. I'm going to go back into settings, and again back into system, and then output settings, and then I'm going to check this dwell time box over here, and then I'm going to add a view. And here's a 4 camera view, so we can start with that. That's fine. We'll add 4 cameras into this dwell time view. We'll add these 4, and then I'll add another view, but I want that one to be a single camera view. We'll do a single camera view of this camera, and we'll do a 3rd camera that's a single camera view of our front door camera. So we have 3 views here. One is a 4 camera grid, and then 2 single camera views. And we'll have the dwell time set to 5 seconds. So it'll scroll between those views every 5 seconds. So I'm going to hit apply. And then over here on the spot monitor, you see it switched to the 4 cameras. And now it's scrolling. That's dwell time. Every 5 seconds, it'll switch to the next view that I configured. And now it'll go back to that 4 camera view. And it'll just keep doing that over and over again. And obviously you can very easily add additional views by going into the menu system, and back into system, back into output settings, and if I want to add another view, and I'll make this one another single camera view of the PTZ out front, and we'll do one more of one of the cameras out back. And you know what? We'll get rid of the 4 camera view. We'll switch it to all single camera views. So hit update, and now it's going to just go scroll between all of those single camera views. And then I'll switch back over here to the main screen and go back to the multi-camera view. Guys, I hope this video has been helpful. As you can see, these Viewtron NVRs are extremely easy to navigate with that user interface and the point and click with the mouse. And it's the same user interface for our BNC DVRs. We supply this equipment to DIY homeowners, small, medium, and large business, and we do a lot of business with the government because this equipment is NDAA compliant for government use. The apps are excellent. It comes with mobile apps for iPhone, mobile app for Android, desktop software for Windows and Macintosh. You can connect to multiple units, multiple sites. It's extremely flexible for small business all the way up to large enterprises. These work with our Viewtron IP cameras, obviously, our traditional IP cameras. We also have AI cameras. If you're not familiar with AI cameras, I highly encourage you to look at our video demos of our AI security cameras and our license plate recognition cameras. It has the built-in AI software and LPR software for all of that. If you have questions about any of this, please feel free to reach out to me anytime. I can be reached directly at mike@cctvcamerapros.net. If you want to learn more about our complete Viewtron product line, the 32-channel NVR, we also have 8, 16, and 64-channel NVRs, as well as BNC DVRs and all kinds of IP cameras and BNC cameras. We put together custom quotes for customers all over the country every day. Please visit www.cctvcamerapros.com/Viewtron. Thank you for watching.